How to make a port forward in macOS X.
Quite simple to do. Firstly, you will need to enable the remote login service on your Mac, System Preferences and GT, Sharing and GT, Remote Login. This starts your SSH server. Then run the following command in your OS X terminal. You may need to accept the server fingerprint initially, as well as type in your local password for SSH login. You can also set up a local-to-local SSH public private key to make it not prompt for a password. We'll leave that as an exercise for the reader. The format is
very simple using the versatile tool mcat. Get the binaries of mcat/mmap for macOS X from the official website, this URL. Edit, added sudo to listen on a restricted port in LT, 1024.
Assuming you have a UPnP router, it's easy to configure ports by using port map. It has a very simple UI.
Well, I can tell you how I do that sort of thing on my Mac OS X 10.5.8 system. I started on an answer about NAT, but I think you actually want a TCP forwarder program instead. You mentioned proxy and port forwarding. There's a few ways of doing this. Depending upon your needs, even SSH can be pressed into action, though my favorite short and sweet way is a Perl script forward. If you need some HTTP manipulation, you might need to tweak HTTP redirects, so that when a request comes for a URL without a trailing slash you don't get redirected to the real, inaccessible, server. Then Apache can do the job of a reverse proxy. You'll want to look at mod_proxy and specifically proxypass and proxypass reverse. Do not enable proxy requests, that's for forward proxying. It should be possible to use Mac OS's own Apache to do this, if you've got it running. It does come with mod_proxy and /etc/httpd/httpd.conference is the config file to update. Even with Apache, you need to make sure that all the links in the real server's content are relative. If they reference the real server, then you could try the mod_proxy_HTML module. I have no experience of how well that works.